Today we are going to discuss about the symbols of first angle projection and third angle projection. So for starting this, you can see very well here, this we have shown the various quadrants, quadrant 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we place the object in quadrant first, means on the horizontal plane, its image will be on the vertical plane. Similarly, this is my horizontal plane, this is my vertical plane. For this explanation, you can see over here, I will explain by this model. You can see over here, this is my horizontal plane, this one is my vertical plane. These are both are perpendicular to each other, and on the third one, this is my profile plane that is also perpendicular to both as well as horizontal and vertical planes. So for this, first of all, I am going to start the first angle projection. I have taken the example of this. This is my horizontal plane, this is vertical plane, this is cone. If I will remove this portion, this becomes the frustum. Okay, books which you have seen the many type of symbols, I will explain it thoroughly for this. Now if I will take this like this, if I place this object, this is in first quadrant, okay, on a horizontal plane in front of vertical plane. If you are observing from this side, or you raise the light from this side, its image will be on the vertical plane. Okay, so for this you can see you are on the front side, then its image will be, you can see it will look like this. Okay, its image will be like this. Okay, its front view will be like this. Okay, then you turn to the left side of yourself. You turn to the left hand side. देखिए आप, you come to this left hand side, what will be its image? Okay, now if you are observing this object from the left hand side, its view will be this circle and this one circle. It is black, this is yellow. Then its image will be like this, on the like this. Its image will be like this. Okay, here what is main important is this. So this image will be on the profile plane, that is at perpendicular on both the horizontal and vertical planes. Now you can see this is your left hand side, its image will be on the right hand side. Okay, if I will open this, okay, you can see this is its front view and this is your front view, and this will be its side view. Clear about this? This is the symbol for first angle projection. For more details, I can show it over here. This is the main thing. This is the symbol for first angle projection. When you draw the drawing, this is your front view, this is side view. It will be on the right hand side of the front view. Thank you.